We keep talking about our physical health, but not our oral health. Everyone knows we have a microbiome in the gut. But did you know you have a microbiome in your mouth? Like we have different kinds of fungi and bacteria and viruses and yeasts in our microbiome of our gut. We also have a lot of bacteria in our mouth, some of them good, some of them bad. Today we're going to understand how to activate the microbiome, because your microbiome in your mouth is connected with your heart health, your cognitive health, inflammation, and even diabetes, and even energy. When you wake up in the morning, if you ever look at your tongue, you'll have like a coating. Some of it's white, sometimes people have a yellow coating, sometimes it's dark white, and some people wake up with just a little bit of fair whiteness on their tongue. What is this? This is a biofilm. It consists of bacteria, toxins, dead cell, and food debris. That's what it's made up of. The point is, you got to get this cleaned, because every time you clean it, you can also activate the conversion of nitrates to nitrites. Now, why is that important? Let's say I eat a beetroot right now, or I eat a fruit, or I eat some spinach. Okay, it first goes into my mouth. My saliva mixes with my food while my teeth break it down. So there's a lot of biochemical actions happening in your mouth from the moment you put food in. All of this is connected with your microbiome and nitric oxide. The more nitric oxide you're able to produce, the better your heart health is. It's better for your diabetes. It's better for your skin, your hair, for every function of your vascular health, which is everything. Vascular health are the arteries that carry blood to trillions of cells in the human body. So now, what do we do with that film on our mouth? Do we keep it? All right. I want all of you today, some of you must be having something called a tongue scraper. All right. You get these little, hook-like things, and all you need to do is hold the ends and gently scrape your tongue in the morning before you brush your teeth. You don't want to go too far down your throat, just a little bit, where you cover a massive portion of your tongue and gently pull it. All right, it's not sharp. At the same time, you don't want to use too much of force. Now, when you go on Amazon or any of your health shops, you'll find these tongue scrapers are in plastic or in copper. I would go with the copper over plastic. I think we have too much of plastic in our lives and in our body anyway. You just want to scrape gently, see what came out. Sometimes it's yellowish, sometimes it's brownish, sometimes it's whitish. When your actual gut is super healthy, sometimes you'll just find a thin film of white. That even signifies better gut health. Now, it's important to clean this, because when you clean this of your tongue, all right, two things: your breath gets better. A lot of people think bad breath comes from the mouth, but it doesn't. It comes from your tongue. You clean it, like a lot of people exfoliate their face. They have face washes or they have exfoliators. Goes into the pores and it removes all of that stuff. The tongue scraper does this to your tongue, and it's one of the most powerful things you can do for your oral health. Your breath starts to change if you've had a problem with your breath. These little things, you see, everything in our amazing human body is interconnected. You can't look at the heart separately without looking at your oral health. Whether it's your gums, your teeth, your cavities, all of this is interconnected. You can't just look at your stomach gut and expect everything to get better. Sometimes in Chinese medicine, and even in Ayurveda, and even in holistic medicine, sometimes we ask patients to show us their tongue, because your tongue tells you a lot about what's happening in. A lot of people sometimes have such thick yellow films on their tongue. That also signifies a candida. And when you find these things, you can get to the root cause of problem. Sometimes I forget to carry my tongue scraper with me. You'll notice a lot of toothbrushes, you turn it over and they've got these little edges. That's for cleaning your tongue. So you can also clean your tongue. It's not as effective as a tongue scraper. The tongue scraper is beautiful. It just moves down your tongue and you can see. Every morning you can see. The important thing is, you want to do this before you brush your teeth. You wake up, you go, you scrape your tongue, you brush your teeth, and then you can go ahead and drink your water post that. All right? Holistic health is always about the little things. It's always the little things that make a big, big difference.